Good evening. We start tonight with a pretty significant update from our 13 Investigates team on COVID-19 cases in nursing homes here in the state of Indiana. This week, the state shared some startling numbers that show nursing home residents account for nearly half of Indiana's COVID-19 deaths. And tonight, we're starting to get a much better picture of which nursing homes are the ones that are the hardest hit. After weeks of pressure, the state's largest operator of nursing homes finally now releasing the COVID-19 information to the public for review. Our 13 Investigates reporter Bob Siegel shares what the numbers show and also tonight where you can find them as well.
It's information families across the state have been waiting for. Data showing how many residents inside each nursing home have tested positive for coronavirus and how many have died. American Senior Communities has now released that information for all 78 of its Indiana long-term care facilities. And it shows many of the nursing homes have been ravaged by the virus. If you add together both residents and staff, the data shows Harrison Terrace in Indianapolis has had 63 positive cases and 13 deaths. Nearby, Rosegate Village has had 145 cases and 20 deaths. For the first time, we now have data for facilities in other parts of the state, too, like Cardinal Nursing in South Bend, now self-reporting 108 cases and 17 deaths, and Bethlehem Woods in Fort Wayne with 84 cases and 23 deaths. But many American senior community nursing homes have no cases of coronavirus and no deaths, like Eagle Valley Meadows here on the west side of Indianapolis. Whether a facility has no cases or dozens of them, it's information the public still needs to know.
The biggest benefit of this information is transparency and making sure that families have the information that they need.
Sarah Waddle is the state director for AARP, which represents more than 800,000 seniors in Indiana. She says American Senior Communities releasing this data sends a powerful message.
I think it sends a message to other facilities across the state that this isn't about hiding information. We're not trying to shame anyone. This is really just putting information out there so families can make the best decisions.
The decision to release data about 78 nursing homes did not come easily or fast. For weeks, 13 Investigates has been talking to angry families who say American Senior Communities told them nothing.
We need to know how many deaths are over there and how our family members are being taken care of.
Now that American Senior Communities has changed its mind, it shifts the focus to other nursing home operators that still have not fully released their coronavirus data. And it also puts more pressure on the governor and the state health commissioner. They collect data from every nursing home in Indiana, but so far, they've refused to release that detailed data to the public. Just a little while ago, AARP joined 13 News in calling on the governor to change that. AARP sent the governor this letter. It says it is essential that the governor release more nursing home data that other states released weeks ago. In the meantime, 13 Investigates has been finding other ways to collect the data. Take a look. We now have COVID-19 information for more than 200 long-term care facilities across the state, and we put it into a searchable database. You can search by county or city or by the name of the nursing home. It's all online right now at WTHR.com.